Ridhima Mathur of class 10th E. Today's theme of the nature club activity is Dadima's recipe, and I have taken home remedy for one of the most important disease, that is chronic dry cough. Chronic dry cough has troubled everyone at least once in lifetime and become very serious illness. If not treated timely, I have pulled out a golden piece of extract from Dadima's recipe to cure it at home, and that too easily available kitchen ingredients. I will demonstrating the preparation of this remedy step by step. So let's begin. My ingredients are almond. I have crushed almond in the mixie, and I have crushed almonds ready.
Okay. Yes.
बताशा
So you have almonds ready, and what else?
बता हाँ
Ma'am, next is batasha. I have crushed batasha in the mixie.
Okay.
Turmeric, white pepper, and homemade desi ghee, and finally hot milk. And let's
Okay.
begin. I have taken a bowl for mixing. First, I will take crushed almond 1 tablespoon.
Okay, so we are taking almonds over here, which are again very good for the throat and for cough. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. And then I will take 1 spoon of crushed batasha.
Okay. Crushed batasha. Batasha आप जो दिवाली के टाइम खाते हैं और वो भी गले के लिए बहुत अच्छा समझा जाता है. इट इज अ स्वीट.
Yes,
बहुत
ma'am.
अच्छी चीज है. हाँ.
And 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric.
Okay. Turmeric has all the
नहीं, वही छोटा वाला, छोटा वाला।
qualities which again help you overcome various problems of chest as well as the throat. So turmeric next.
And 1/4 tablespoon of white pepper.
ओके. व्हाइट पेपर जो हमें अभी अभी भी किसी ने बताया था, अगर व्हाइट पेपर डाल लेंगे तो वो आपकी आंखों के लिए, गले के लिए, चेस्ट के लिए इट विल बी रियली वेरी गुड.
Yes, ma'am. And finally 2 teaspoon of desi ghee, which is homemade.
ओके. ये देसी घी है जो आपके गले को वो जो मॉइस्ट रखने वाला काम है वो करेगा. एंड इट विल हेल्प यू अगेन, यू नो, योर थ्रोट बिकम बेटर एंड बेटर डे आफ्टर डे. यस. ऑल नाइस इंग्रेडिएंट्स गोइंग इन.
And mix well all the ingredients.
Okay. Yes. So after mixing, we are going to get a very nice mix which will ultimately help us a lot in cough.
Now the paste is ready. Finally take 1 cup of hot milk and put the paste in the milk.
Okay, so the milk, nice and sweet milk will be available to us. Huh? Sweet milk, yes. Yes, Ridhima has made really a lot of effort. Yes, Ridhima. And
You can take this remedy 2 times a day.
नेक्स्ट टाइम
Early,
yes, Ridhima. Early morning.
early morning, empty stomach with 1 hour gap of having anything, and in night before going to sleep. Repeat this remedy 3 to 5 days, and your chronic dry cough will disappear soon. The
Wow, very
benefit of
good.
this remedy are: the paste is good for lungs, respiratory passage, and boosting our immunity. My mother was suffering from chronic dry cough for 4 months, and she took this remedy for just 3 days. Her ailment was cured completely. So I have faith in this remedy, and I recommend everyone to try once. Thank you and have a
Yes,
nice day.
yes. Definitely, Ridhima. Excellent remedy, and I think part of it I have also tried and I have found it to be very effective. So I'm sure it will be effective for others too. Thanks a ton. Thank you so